Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. Today I will be teaching you guys how I make my lash spikes and add decals to my lash sets. If you would like to learn this process, continue watching, subscribe to my channel, and get your lash supplies so we can get started. Alright, so as you can see from the lash towel, this video is sponsored by Veyelash Lashes. I will leave everything that I'm using down below in the description box. So I am using their lash glue, their easy fan and self-fanning trays, D-curl 14 mm for my fans, and 16 and 18 mm for my spikes. So whenever you're making spikes, you want to make sure your spikes are 2 to 4 lengths longer than your actual fan so that your spikes can stand out. To get my spikes ready, I am going to be using the I don't know how to say this, micellar cleansing water. So I'm going to add it to my swab and just stroke it up to get the lashes wet so they can stick together. The process is actually easy, so all you got to do is just watch what I'm doing, do the same thing, and you should be fine. So I'm not going to talk through the whole video, just watch and you will learn these steps.
Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe, we lost this shit. Gotta hold my own, my course to get alone now.